Assalamu alaikum. I am Imran from Bangladesh. Today we're gonna learn about draft toolbar, how to use this. This is a simple example. I just freely do this. So let's have a look. Just I already did this. Let's just show you how to use this tool. The color I change. So first I create a datum, middle of the datum. Second also be a datum, center of the line, as you like, where you need. Then create a sketch, your required shape, whatever you like, just sketch. Then I create a sheet, this sheet, simple work, just sheet. And after that we use our tool, this. I show you how to use this. Okay, so here here the very important thing here, vector select and draft reference and face to draft. Here three options. This toolbar have three options. First, type choose from plane and surface, this is. Then draw direction, this is called vector, specific vector. So you have to learn about vector, which direction you wanna draft. Otherwise if you don't clear about vector, you when you're doing this you face some problem. So I will describe it in a minute. And now reference, this is there have three type of methods. One is stationary, second is parting surface, and for an extent they have stationary and parting surface two both are here. So stationary, as you know that as usual draft, I will show you here parting surface. Show parting surface. Here parting surface, select the stationary parting surface. You have to select a stationary surface, which surface stay on your original dimension. So I choose here the point, here the circle, here the sheet. There have no any chance. This dimension always be keep in our model. I wanna change from below this surface and after this surface. If you like both side, below and above. If you wanna only one side, so click out the draft both side. So from this sheet, from this line, the draft calculate the draft angle. Okay, this is called parting surface, stationary. And then this is called face to draft. It's mean which face I wanna draft, which face I wanna draft. Here I choose this one face and also be this one face I wanna draft. So you choose two face, this one and this one. And about angle, how much angle you doing this. Okay, so let's move about vector. What is the vector? How can I calculate the vector? Which direction is my prefer? Okay, so here vector always, I think in my experience, I think that vector you keep in your mind two things. One is for parting surface, parting face. You should keep the vector. One is the perpendicular your stationary parting surface. That means this surface sheet perpendicularly, and I remember it other way. I remember it which surface, which draft angle I going there. This is the my draft face. For so this draft face will angle, so I keep it this direction. Okay. Alternative is perpendicular of shape. You remember just perpendicular sheet. This is my sheet. This is my sheet. This is the vector perpendicular of the sheet. And another way, this is my draft face. I wanna draft move and down. Just look at this. Move here, move up down. Here move. So we should take it parallel of the draft. I always when I use draft, then I think in my mind we should keep the parallel of the face, draft face. You can also choose the perpendicular on your sheet or parallel of the draft. So I remember in my personal parallel to the draft angle face. Which side I wanna draft, I just parallel to this vector. This vector going to parallel of this face. This face I wanna move and down this one, so parallel of the this side. Okay. So then okay. Move. And another one is I hide this, also hide this. Just listen, I just show you previously. So I dropped this face. This is my parting surface, parting stationary surface, and drop this 12 angle one also below and above also be, and then I again draft this type draft. So let's move how to do how do I did this. Double click here. Here I use type is same, vector is different. Here I use stationary and parting, both of this. So in your model you need to type of shape, angle. You need to angle middle of the your design, 20 something dimension you need, wherever you middle or side or upper lower. You just create a where from you need draft, just to create a plane. I already create this plane, this one. You just create a plane, this plane, and then you choose vector. As I said, the parallel of the draft angle face. Look at this. This is the vector direction. It's parallel my draft face. Look at this. My draft face is this and also this. So it's parallel of the draft face. Or you think perpendicular of the sheet or datum line. Perpendicular. This is the perpendicular of the vector, perpendicular of the datum line. Okay, two things here. Then draft reference. Here draft reference stationary face, you have to choose if stationary face, and then you have to choose parting face. Parting face, stationary face, which is my stationary face here. Here my stationary face is 2. Look at this one line and this one line, the blue color here, my stationary two face or line. I choose here line. Okay, and then my parting surface, this is the surface where from I parting. This is stationary, this line keep my original dimension, and this is my parting. I can move up and down. And then face, obviously this one and this one, direction obviously perpendicular of the shape or parallel of the draft face. Then this I will show you clearly. Okay, choose this. This is putting station face, just this one and this one. Then parting face means my datum line, this one. Face goes to this one and goes to this one, and I wanna draft 36 degree. Okay, and direction, the perpendicular of the parting face, perpendicular parting face, or parallel of the draft, or parallel of the draft face. Then okay, look at this, it's quite simple. Okay, and then finally I just is blend, the shape is given that. Okay, thank you for patience. I hope you enjoy this tutorial. I show you later next tutorial in the draft body, like that. Draft body, this is the draft body, how to use this body, and what the difference between draft and draft body. Okay, thank you guys, thank you for clicking this video. Have a nice day, see you later.